Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another stock video, and today I'm going to show you how I got a free Snapchat stock. Okay, so here we are in the Robinhood mobile investing app. Robinhood is a super easy way to buy stocks and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can easily invest in them or trade them through the app. As you can see right here, I own one share of Snapchat, which I actually got for free. And that's worth $9.90. So if we scroll down to your position, it'll say one share, and the equity there is how much it's worth. And I could also tap the trade button and then sell that or buy more if I wanted to. But here's how I got it for free. It's through the invite feature. So if you guys use my invite link down in the description, you can get a free stock worth up to $500. And right here it gives all of those details. You have a 1 in 250 chance of getting one of those $500 stocks. But no matter what, you're gonna get a free stock. Usually they're around $5. Snapchat was around $10. And with all of the ones that I get, I've just been selling them and buying into Bitcoin. I am going to keep Snapchat though, because I'm a fan of Snapchat. Done a lot of Snapchat videos on the channel. I believe in Snapchat as a company, so I'm going to keep that one. But I'm going to continue to sell all of the other ones like Bed Bath & Beyond. Give me like Ford, stuff like that. I've just been selling those ones. But yeah, that's it. That's all you need to do. Sign up using the link in the description and we will both get a free stock. And that could be valued up to $500. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more stock videos like this one. Also check out the various playlists on the channel. There's a Robinhood playlist, Cash App, stuff like that to get you started in stocks and investing. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.